Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically change worksheet names based on cell values. Let's get started. In some of our Excel reports, we may want to name these sheets automatically according to the names on each sheet without manually renaming them. So in this tutorial, let us learn how we can automatically change worksheet names based on cell values using a small macro. In this example, I am considering a sample report of 3 states in 3 sheets. And let us rename these sheets with the state names from cell B2 of each sheet. Now let us follow the step-by-step procedure. The first step is to right-click on any sheet and select View Code, or you can press Alt F11 as a shortcut to go into the VBA window. Here, in this VBA window, click on Insert from the menu bar, and then click on Module to insert a new module. Copy this code and paste it into the new module of the VBA window. Close this VBA window and go back to your Excel workbook. Now from the menu bar, go to the View tab, and under Macros, click on View Macros. After selecting the Rename Sheet macro, you can click on Run. Now you can see that the name of each sheet is renamed in accordance with the cell name on each sheet. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.